Good morning, children. Today I will teach you the second chapter. Its name is Movement and Shuffle. So, our first topic is skeletal system. All of you open your physical education book and page number 28 or chapter 2. First, we will learn what is a skeletal system. A skeletal system is a combination of various bones, cartilage, tendons and ligaments. Means all of combination of our, we are also know bones or the cartilage is the cartilage where any joint movement will find cartilage, tendons and ligaments. A new baby has approx 300 bones, but after the age of adolescence the number of bones is reduced of 206 bones. So we are know our body has 206 bones and newborn baby approx 300 bones. The skeletal system has two parts. Number one, axial skeleton and other part is appendicular skeleton. So, how many bones our axial skeletal system? First, we know what is the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton is formed by skull, sternum, ribs and vertebra column and hyoid bones here. There are 80 bones in our axial skeletal system. So how many bones? Our skull, sternum, ribs, hyoid bone. We saw all of you. Skull is bone have 28, sternum is 1, ribs is 24 and hyoid bone is 1. And vertebra column 26 for adults, 33 for children. Tale you know axial skeleton, what is the axial skeleton and how many bones our axial skeleton, how many numbers of bones our skull, how many numbers bones of sternum, how many numbers bones of hyoid bones, how many number bones of vertebral column. Now the other part is appendicular skeleton. So what is the appendicular skeleton? The appendicular skeleton includes the bones of upper limbs and lower limbs. What is the appendicular skeleton is? Upper limbs and lower limbs. The appendicular skeleton is made up of 126 bones. How many bones? 126 bones. The upper limbs have 64 bones and lower limbs have 62 bones. The upper limbs is our arms, forearms, okay, and hands, and shoulder girdle is upper limbs, and lower limb is 62. Our thigh, you also know what is the thigh, knee, leg, foot, are the 60 and pelvic girdle is 2. The how many bones our axial skeleton? 80 bones. How many bones our appendicular skeleton? 126 bones. Now the skeletal system all of you saw picture number 2.1, font size our skeletal system is a picture, and figure 2, back view of human skeleton. First you saw skull. First skull, this is our skull, and sternum, that is our sternum, and this is our clavicle. Okay, and this part is humerus, this part is ribs, and that is our vertebra column. And also know it is our pelvic girdle. Okay, and that is our hand has two bones. That is radius is the thumb, this side at the radius, and that side is ulna. Okay, that is carpal and metacarpal phalanges. Understood? So our thigh bone we are also know, that is femur, and we also know what is the knee, other name is patella. Okay, and our leg have two bones, one is tibia and fibula, and next of the last part is our foot, tarsal, metatarsal and phalanges. Oh, and one is that is our bone is scapula. Understood? So now today just know what is the skeleton, by skeleton or our bones, name of the bones. We know, but we learn name of the bones. Understood? And now I will show in the next class I will show you skeletal model and describe these parts. Understood?